Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Decibel TV. So today I'll be teaching you how to increase or decrease an audio on your system using this website called mp3louder.com. So let's go. So go to your browser. And on the search bar here, search for mp3louder.com. So guys, this is the website, and all you have to do now is to select an audio, select a music which is mp3 file. So let's first check out for the mp3 first. So you just have to minimize this and go to our file to check on the music. So guys, let's go on with this music. Just go back to the website and click on browse, and this will redirect you to your file. So let's choose a music. So this is the song. And these are the options. The first option here is to select whether you want to increase the volume or decrease the volume. So let's choose increase, and these are for the decibels you want. So you have to choose a higher decibel. As you can see, the recommended decibel here is 3 decibels, so you just have to choose a higher one. So let's go on with 4 decibels or 4.5 decibels. So the last option here is to select a channel. This is for whether you want only for the left channel or for the right channel. So you have to choose every channel and click on upload now. So this is it, and let's just check on this. Increase mp3 volume online. mp3 louder is a free web service that allows you to increase the volume level of mp3 audio file online. Tweak the volume level to make the mp3 louder. Boost the mp3 volume online directly from your web browser. You just need to select mp3 audio file from the form below and click the button upload now. After a few seconds, you will be able to download the new optimized mp3 song. It is very important that you do not close this web page during the uploading and encoding process. So let's just download the file. So guys, as you can see, let's check on the downloads. So let's just wait for this mp3 to download. So guys, let's just compare the other former mp3 and this optimized mp3. Let's go back to file. So this is the former one, and let's check the new one. So guys, this is how to increase or decrease an mp3 using this mp3louder.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.